My name is Mike McConnell. I'm the Director of Engineering for ULINE. Mr. and Mrs. ULINE started the business back in 1980. They actually started with one product out in their garage, and 8 years ago we were about $1 billion, and they've now expanded into a $6 billion organization. Our Illinois facility goes through 27 semi-loads of UPS product a day. So that means 27 empty semi-loads come in, they get packed and they leave and they exchange the truck. So there's that much product coming out of our facilities.
Recently, Cree Lighting reached out to us that they had a customer, ULINE, which is one of the largest shipping product manufacturers in the world, that liked the Cree Lighting KBL light, but they had some problems finding a wireless lighting control solution.
So everything that we put into these buildings has to speak towards our passion and our mission to be able to get you product as soon as we possibly can. So we're not looking to build buildings as cheap as we can. We're looking to build them the best way that we can.
My name is Ryan Loggins. I'm the product manager for the industrial product line. What I'm primarily in charge of is high bay lighting fixtures. I became involved with ULINE in the implementation of the wireless controls in the Simply Synapse system because we didn't currently have a wireless platform. ULINE is not a simple or a small user of the capabilities of the KBL with Simply Snap. They're almost like a super user.
It became less and less about the power density of the light, and it became more and more about controls. Everybody out in the market kind of had a light, they had a motion sensor, maybe a daylight sensor on it, and that light, it acted as its own independent lighting zone. That wasn't something that ULINE really liked. So we went to Cree and we said, we really need to have an integrated lighting control system within their product to be able to use up here in Washington within the stringent energy codes. Each one of our aisles has to be an independent lighting zone, and we have literally hundreds of aisles here. With the skylights that ULINE uses, we're then required to also do daylight harvesting. We came to Cree and said, we really need some help from you guys. And that's when they brought to us the solution that they were going to partner with Synapse. We had the top 3 lighting control companies in here trying to do wireless mock-ups. We wanted them to come in and perform and show us that we could bring these lights on together. And they failed miserably. It wasn't looking good for us going wireless, and Synapse came to Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, and that's when they introduced to us the Simply Snap system.
The other vendors had problems integrating in with the existing ULINE IT network. The next problem was there was significant delay. So ULINE would try to turn the lights on, one light would come on, next light would come on, next light would come on. They expected all of those to come on instantaneously. I'm thinking, well, I know how our system works. I've been commissioning this for years. I believe in it. And so I'm like, Mike, no, we can absolutely solve that problem. We can do it. Well, he was skeptical. And so I walked him through setting up the configuration. And then, that took about 15 minutes. And then we had him controlling the lights from his iPad.
The field engineer, Rob Paget, came, and he explained to me that he thought that the process was going to be really easy. And I said, Rob, he says, we've had the best of the best in here, and they've failed miserably. And so we walked out in the warehouse, and he says, Mike, you're going to do it. And so Rob gave me his little iPad, and I had to bring the lights in, and I basically touched the buttons that he told me to touch, but within less than 15 minutes we had the system operating, and when you'd push the button, all the lights would come on together. We have actually found a very high quality lighting company, and we found the best of the wireless lighting controls companies. We've married them together into a product that provides a great value to ULINE and addresses all of our needs, and provides a wonderful environment for our employees. It's cost effective, it's ease of installation, the operation is positive, it's reliable. So we really appreciate the partnership that we built, and we look forward to continuing that into the future.